Hello everyone, my name is Kwimi Desiree and you're on the channel Code with Desiree. Today we are going to continue where we ended last time, that is on part 1 course 6, and we were speaking about arrays and multidimensional arrays. Today we are going to speak about array list and multidimensional array list. Let us get started. Here we are going to clean what we did last time. And we are going to declare our array list. This is the declaration of array list. We will put our open and close and we will write our string. We are declaring in function, we are declaring with the type of string, and we are putting our variable called array so that the comprehension should be more easy. And we will put here new array list. We open here and write our type of string, our type which is string, and close here. And what we will do here, we will import our java.util.arraylist. Array list. We can either do like this. If we don't want to write manually, we can also do like this and we import. Now we will continue. We will add certain elements to our array list by declaring array dot. To add, we do dot add and we write an element that we want. Let us even give here fruits, and here we put also fruits. We will add a fruit like mango, fruits dot add. We will add here pineapple, let us put another one, fruits dot add orange, and the last one, fruits dot add pear. We will end here. Now if you want to display this information, there are two ways. Let us show for the first way. The first way, we are going to declare a variable. That variable will be responsible to pass over our array list as we were doing for arrays. We will declare an integer, a variable I. Here we will give nothing. We will just declare our variable. Now the second thing is that we are going to open our loop for. We are going to give I as 0. We are going to cross over. Now in order to determine the length of our array list, we are not going to use, as we did on arrays, dot length. Here it is dot count. We are going to do here dot size, which means that as we were doing for our previous lesson, we were doing array dot length. Here is array dot size. Therefore we are going to say I less than fruit dot size. I will open here and close. and the last one we are going to say I plus plus. Now we are going to display on our console. We are going to cross over our fruits. Therefore, we are going to say system.out.println, and here we are going to put inside our fruits, and inside our fruits we are going to add I. It is showing us an error. Pardon, it is not fruits directly, it is fruits.get, and we take our element. Now let us launch this program. We are waiting that it is responding in our console. This all our element display. As it is here, we have mango, pineapple, orange, and pear. Now the second one is that we are going to show another method of displaying our elements. Apart from doing for, we are going to show this simple way to display our elements. It means that at the place of using a constant that will pass over all our elements, we are going to use directly a function. We can either declare our string outside of our loop, or we can directly put our string declared in our loop. We will do the second way. Therefore, we are going to say for we open, we declare a string crossover, we declare our variable crossover, and there we will enter our fruits just like this, and we close. What we are going to do, we are going to just do system.out.println, and we are going to put our crossover. Now if you run this program, you see that it gives the same result: mango, pineapple, orange, and pear. We have the same result as the previous one. Now, after seeing how we can manage with array list, we are going to speak now about dimensional array list. But before going to dimensional array list, we are going to show other properties of array list. As we have these different elements, we can show other properties like fruit dot set. The property set help us to initialize a new index and giving a new value, which means that as we can see here at mango, it is at index 0, index 1, 2, and 3. As we are doing fruit.set, we want to initialize an index with a new value that we want to assign. It means that as we have mango, pineapple, orange, and pear, we are going to choose an index that we want to initialize. It means that we want to initialize our orange. It will be 0, 1, and 2. It means that I will put 2 and I will write a value that I want to assign. We say here tomato. Let us launch only the second one, that is system.out.println. dot out dot print ln, and we will just print the second one, fruits dot get, and it is at 2, index 2. If we launch this program, we are going to obtain our orange. Pardon, we are going to obtain our new value, which is tomato, and as expected, we obtain our result tomato. That is it here, tomato. This is one of the property of array list. Another property of array list, it is the property remove. The property remove does the same thing as set, and the only difference is that remove will delete at an index that we are taking, while set will initialize at an index that we are taking. If we write fruits dot remove and we write directly our element, which is our index, we want to remove at index 0, or let us say at index, this is our 0. Let us remove pineapple. We are going to put 1, and we don't forget to put our semicolon. Now if we run this, if we write back our for, and we say string crossover, and we are going across fruits. Now we will do our system dot out dot print ln, and we are putting inside our crossover. We are going to see that our pineapple does not again appear because we have used the property remove that has removed our pineapple. The next property that we are going to see is the property clear. The property clear, what does it do? It does the same thing as remove, and the only difference that it removes all different elements inside our variable fruits, which means that our variable fruits will be empty. If we let us put this in comments, and we will say fruits dot clear. If you run this program in the console, we are going to see in our output, we are going to see nothing. As expected, we have no value because fruits.clear, as we said, remove everything from this variable in the array list. Okay, after seeing simple array list, let us see dimensional array list. Let us put this in comment, and this also. Now let us see dimensional array list. Dimensional array lists are more complex. The knowledge here, what you can have like knowledge in dimensional array list is that with dimensional array list, it consists of doing, it consists of doing array list, normal array list, as we have just seen here above. And what we will do is that in dimensional array list, we are going to put our different array lists in a big content, which will be receiving those array lists. Let us, in practice, it will be more better. Now we will declare 3 variables of array list. We will declare, as I am saying, 3 variables of array list. let us say string. The first one that we are going to declare are names. Equals to new array list string the second. We just copy this, let us copy this again. Let us change name. Let us give this one animals and cars. Now for animals, for names, we are going to say names dot add. Let us add a name like Jean. Let us copy this and add 4 times. Here I'm going to put Christophe. Desire. And the last one is Rodrigo. Now let us do the same thing for animals. Animals dot add dog. Animals dot add fish. Animals dot add leopard. Animals dot add tiger. There's an error. Sorry, I didn't write wild animals here. And the last one that we are going to write is cars. Cars dot add Mercedes. Cars dot add Lamborghini. Cars dot add Peugeot. And the last one is cars dot add Toyota. Now, as we have our 3 array lists well defined, now we are going to declare our array list. This is how we declare array list. We will give our string here array list. We put our string here. We will say container. We say new array list. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add our different array list in our container by saying container dot add. We are going to add our names. Container dot add cars. We are going to add first animals, and the last one container dot add cars. Now if you do directly system dot out dot print of our container dot get, or let us simply say container, and run this program, what we are seeing here is that all our different array lists of different types that we have there, animals, cars, and names, they are all displayed here, but they are all displayed as we set here container. Now if we want to display just this element as all is here, imagine that we just want to display Jean. What we are going to do is that inside here we are going to say for the, if we want first, let us first display only this one. If you want to display only for the array list name, we are going to say get, and we are going to put at index 0. If you run this program, we are seeing that it is displaying only the first one, and at this moment you can already imagine if you want to display only Christophe. Have you find? Let us do the correction. To display only Christophe, what we are going to do is we are going to put another dot get. For Christophe, it is at index 1. We put our index 1 here, and if you run the program, we are seeing that we are getting Christophe, and it is the same thing as we saw on array list, normal array list. We can do container dot remove. We can put remove index. We can remove at which index? Index 1. Now if we run for we will say for int I less than container dot, we are going to say size, and the last one we are going to increment. Now what we are going to do here, what is going wrong here? It is showing us an error. Why is it showing us an error? Let us change. Let us declare here outside. Sorry, I didn't give a value to j. We will say 0. Now all is okay. We are going to pass all over our container to see that our animals, because we want to remove at index 1, we want to see if animal is again present. What we are going to do is that we are going to do as we did as for simple array list. Therefore we are going simply to do system dot out dot println, and we are going to take our container dot get g. If we run this program, what are we seeing? That for animals is no more present. As you can observe, animals is no more present. This was the end of part 2, which was speaking about array list and multidimensional array list. Please subscribe the video. This was the end of part 2, which was speaking about array list and multidimensional array list, and it is closing directly array list with arrays. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and don't forget to like. See you later for the next course.